Hey, this is Punil and today I will be explaining you how to calculate the number of bricks required to build a particular length of wall. Definitely you all will be having it out how to order the bricks whenever you are building your house. Today I will be explaining you one of the simplest formula and method to find out the number of bricks required to build a particular length of wall. Hope this will help you in constructing and ordering the materials for your house construction. Let me take a practical example and present you how to calculate the number of bricks required to build a particular length of wall. Here there is a plan which we have developed. Let us calculate the number of bricks required to build this particular length of wall. Assume this particular length of wall is 10 meters. And within this 10-meter wall, it consists of one window and the lintels below. Let us assume the length of the wall as 10 meters and height of the wall as 3 meters, excluding the beam depth. To make you understand better, let me draw a three-dimensional view of the brick wall. Let us assume the length of the wall as we have discussed, 10 meters. This is the length of the wall. And height also we know, as we have discussed already, this is 3 meters. 3 meters. And let us assume this as a brick wall of thickness 0.23 meter. 0.23 meter. That means 230 mm. And here let us also write a cross section of the brick. Standard dimension of the brick is always, it depends on from country to countries. In India it is roughly around 9-inch brick wall. If you consider this is 9-inch, means 230 mm, and the width will be almost 3 inches or 3 by 4 inches or 63 mm, and height will be almost equal to 4.5 inches. 12 inches. In mm it will be 107 mm. This is the standard dimension of a brick in India. And this dimension varies from place to place and countries to country. And from the figure it is very clear that the standard dimension of the brick is 230 mm by 63 mm by 107 mm. This is the standard dimension of the brick. And this depends, and this varies from country to country also. Mainly there are two methods to estimate the quantities or number of bricks. The first one is area method. And the second one is volume method. Let me explain what is area method and volume method in simple terms. Area method is a method where you are only dealing with the area of the wall, and volume method is the method where you are considering about all the three dimensions of the wall, considering height, length and thickness of the wall. This is all about a brief explanation about the area method and volume method. Let me explain one particular method, area method, in this video in detail. And also I will be giving a thumb rule to calculate the number of bricks, or a quick formula to calculate the number of bricks. Let me explain you the area method. A simple formula for area method is is equal to area of wall divided by area of single brick. This is the formula to identify the number of bricks by area method. Number of bricks is equal to area of wall divided by area of single brick. Here let us assume what is the area of this wall. Area is very simple. Here only these two dimensions we need to consider. This is area of wall is equal to 10 into 3 minus lintel length 10 into 0.15, again minus 1 by 1. This is the window divided by area of brick is equal to area. For calculating the area of brick, you need to consider the mortar thickness also. Within this, even the mortar all around this will be considered. That means this mortar length you need to consider. Here we are considering 230 mm thickness of wall. That is why we need to consider 63 plus mortar thickness. We will consider 15 mm as mortar thickness, and 4.5 inches means 107 mm plus mortar thickness. That means 0.078 by 0. means 0.123. The formula is, let us calculate here, 10 by 3 minus of lintel area 10 into 0.15 minus window area. As you can see here, this is one window is present here. This window is 1 by 1 meter. We will deduct this 1 by 1 meter minus 1 by 1 divided by 0.078 into 0.123. As per our formula, the area is 27.5 minus volume of area of one brick is equal to 0.0095 is equal to 2894 bricks is required to build this particular area of wall. And the thumb rule to calculate the number of bricks is whatever the area you get here, the brick area divided by 0.0095. This is the area of one brick including mortar thickness, divided by this one, and you will get the number of bricks. This is the simplest formula you can remember, 0.0095. If you memorize this, whenever you get the area of the wall or length and height of the wall, you can divide it by this particular magic number. This will be your thumb rule. If you like this video, please do subscribe to this channel, and we will be posting more and more civil oriented concepts in this channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching our video. Please do like and share our video, and please do consider hitting this subscribe button and click on the bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any of our updates. Thank you.